Oh,
Copy.
diamonds!
This ain't Minecraft.
Not the babushka. Not the babushka.
Honk.
Oh, God.
Oh
almighty.
my god.
Ow! Jesus.
Oh no, we've seen this many times before.
Don't hit the people! Oh, my God. Using the cushion.
We're fucking booking it. Oh, Jesus.
Gas her up. We're good.
Right after somebody
Yeah,
went
first-
dead stop at a pole. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, God.
What? What's going on?
Fuck.
Spared some lives.
Yeah, thanks to those fucking poles.
Why?
Why? Wow.
That sign doesn't look stable. Ooh!
What?
Close call.
What? Well, what was the needing of swerving and stopping because of the Jeep, or?
No, I'm sorry,
No,
man.
we're
Here's
back to watching.
$5.
Actual cars.
They're holding their pants up in the front. They're like, yeah, man, we got you. Well, really?
Fire on the brakes!
Oh,
Chill.
oh there's the blia.
Oh, my
What?
God.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, no!
What the hell?
Jason, I fucking bro, I'm out.
Those cars are getting swallowed.
I didn't swallow it all the way. That's what she said.
Yum.
Not your turn.
Oh.
Don't worry,
Blue
Jack.
car came to a dead stop.
Oh.
What?
Dale.
Bye. Oh.
Good save. That's what Dale should have done. We're
Yeah,
still
All Dale
driving
had to
through
do
it.
was just swerve it back to the left. Jeez. Rookie.
We're
Look
still
up,
driving
look
it.
up, look up.
Oh.
My.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Bump. Oh, never
Well,
mind.
All
I would have
right.
turned. I would have just
Oh.
slammed into
What
him.
a trooper.
That Toyota Corolla
still driving.
deserves to get its fucking ass packed.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We stabilize the
Start
cameras,
with this
please.
truck.
Dizzy. Ah. Zuka.
God.
What are
Hey,
we?
I have seen this before, dude.
Hey. Two wheels.
Just,
Hi.
Oh Jesus.
oh, there's gonna be a choo-choo, ain't there? Nope, nope. Oh no, that's heavy.
That's heavy machine.
Yeah,
Get out, get out.
Alright, it's a lot. It'll be fine.
You can stop, you know.
No.
Like the brake pedal is there.
Why are we? What? Wait.
Why are people so retarded, dude? Like, I don't get it.
Why?
What are we doing?
Which pedal is the stop and don't back
Oh
up pedal?
my god! What the fuck was that?
Was
I
that a
need to
giant
see that
six-pack
again.
ring?
I gotta see that again.
Oh, there went the
shit.
mirror. Beach.
Holy shit. That's wild.
He's hanging on. Bro, let go.
Yeah, we can't have that one in the video.
Oh, dude, we need to watch some World Star Fight Cup, dude.
Inside.
Oh
Whoa.
my god!
Back in front of you.
Oh.
Burn it, boys.
That was awesome.
You alright?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that was the thud and a half. This is a fatality road.
What is this road?
Yeah, go ahead, pass him.
What is this?
That's a checker flag for life.
Oh
Yeah.
man. I'm
Really?
having diarrhea coming
Oh my
out.
God.
Cold.
Alright, I'll stop.
Oh no, every line just came down. Oh no, that's gonna be Sparky.
Oh no.
Oh, that truck. They're stopping in front of you. Oh!
Oh.
Why would you?
He even had a little triangle set in the road. Be like, hey, warning.
No, no,
Yeah, that
no.
you can't see because it doesn't reflect because you're in a tunnel.
Oh,
Yeah.
Well, that's
He
in
saved it.
2023.
Whoa!
That DLC hasn't released yet.
Fuck.
That wreck hasn't even happened yet.
We'll see you in a crash comp in 2 years.
Okay, yeah, don't bump draft the tractor. There you go. There you go.
Tractor don't even know. Oh boy.
This is about
We-
like he got the
yeah.
cigarette. He's
He
ready.
took the cigarette out of his mouth.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Oh!
He's got
Pepper
the
spray.
Febreze.
Got the Febreze.
Actually, Febreze probably would have been worse because it would have lit on fire from the cigarette.
Oh my god, it would have.
Woo!
Whoa!
My
They were
God.
far wide for a moment.
Oh, he's.
Oh!
He's not as
the
wide as he
needle.
was.
Time to start carrying a can of Lysol and
Oh,
Febreze in
I'm
my
about to
car.
lose the front end of this one, huh? And the back, and the front.
Yep.
Oh. Took together by the Honda logo in the front. Trust me, I've
Well,
done it
yeah,
before on my
about
car.
That seems like that was important.
Looks like a bumper bar.
It's fine.
Sucking
It's
up
a
to you.
Toyota Corolla, so I'm not surprised that this is happening. Yep, there we go.
Split the gap.